Okay, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon po, sir.
Okay, can you hear me, class?
Po, sir.
Opo, sir.
Okay,
Opo.
let's start our lesson. So today we will be learning about the following things. So we are going to identify and illustrate the different kinds of angle pairs, such as the supplementary angles, the congruent angles, the adjacent angles, the linear pair, and the vertical angles. So to begin with our lesson, have we discussed this before, the supplementary and the complementary angles, or you just copied the notes that we have?
Copy po, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let's have this first introduction to our lesson for 6.3, the angle pairs, day number 1. So, kung nakapin nyo na po, just proceed na lang po sa pakikinig, and if you were not able to copy this one yet, please start copying now. So today we will be learning about the angle pairs. So first of this is the supplementary and complementary angles. So by definition, when you say complementary angles, these are two angles that are added together. And kapag i-add daw natin yung complementary angles, it is a requirement that the output is 90 degrees. In other words, kahit gaano po yun kalaki ang angles, basta ang total pag i-add nyo sila, the answer is 90 degrees, you call that one as complementary. Okay? So, take note, there should only be two angles involved here. Dalawang angles lang. Hindi po pwede 3, hindi po pwede isa. Dalawang angles. And kapag 90 ang pag-add ninyo, complementary po ang tawag. Okay? So, example, I'll be showing that one. So, we have here an example of an angle. So, these are two angles. Let us name this one as angle 1 and let us name this one as angle 2. This L is read as angle. Okay? For example, this is 55 degrees or ang measure niya is 55. Tapos ito naman, 35 degrees. Kapag i-add mo yung 55 degrees at saka 35 degrees, the answer should be 90 degrees. Okay? Kapag 90 degrees siya ngayon, ang tawag sa kanya ngayon is complementary. Okay? Ibig sabihin daw po ng complementary, 90 degrees siya in all. Okay? Next. The next one is the supplementary angles. So when you say supplementary angles, these are two angles that are 180 if you are going to get the sum of the two angles. Okay? Hindi po pwede magsobra sa 180, hindi po pwede magkulang sa 180, basta exactly siya 180. At ilan ang angles na i-add? Dalawa din po dito. Okay, usually, ang supplementary angles, makakabuo siya ng tinatawag na straight line. Example, this is the first angle. Okay, next, this is the second angle. Ito ang second. Okay, nakabuo siya ngayon ng straight line. So kapag nakabuo siya ng straight line, ang tawag dyan ngayon is supplementary angle. Okay, so next, what if this is 80 degrees? This is 100 degrees. Kapag i-add mo ang 100 at 80, ang total is 180 degrees. And kapag 180 siya, ang tawag dyan ngayon is supplementary angles. Okay, please copy, then type done if you're done. Fine. Pwede din po 140 at saka 40. For example, 140 dito, tapos dito 40. That is also correct. Basta ang total is 180. Okay, please start done if you're done. Okay, are you done? May I proceed now? Okay, the next one is what you call the examples muna tayo. So kindly look at this example. So for letter A, the first given is a 30-degree angle. The second given is a 60-degree angle. And if you're going to add 30 plus 60, the answer is 90. Now, among the two types of the angles, saan siya nabilong? Supplementary or complementary?
Complementary.
That's complementary according to Krisha. That's correct. So for letter A, the answer there is 90 degrees kapag i-add mo siya. And since it is 90 degrees, therefore it is complementary. Okay, next, letter B. For letter B, kindly look at the example. So we have the given 40 and 50. And if you're going to add 40 and 50, the answer is also 90 degrees. And that is an example of, again, a complementary angle. Okay, please copy the examples for letter A and B. Then type done if you're done. Okay, next, letter C. For letter C, we have the given angle 1. The name of the first angle is named as angle 1, while the second angle is named as angle 2. If you're going to add angle 1 and angle 2, what will be the answer? Please write your answer in the chat box, please.
Angle 3 po, sir.
So, angle 3 daw po. Who else? Sino pa may ibang sagot? Please type in the chat box. Okay, angle 3 daw po. So, actually, angle 1 is a name. Angle 2 is also a name. So, kapag ang pangalan, hindi mo po pwede i-add. Yung measure lang po ang pwedeng i-add. So, angle 1 and angle 2 there is not angle equal to angle 3. Bakit po? Kasi po si angle 1 and angle 2, these are the names of the angle. These are just angle A or angle B. Nagkataon lang na pangalan niya is angle 1 and angle 2. But take note, on the given, please look at on the whiteboard screen. On the given, ganyan po siya letter L. Angle 1 is here, angle 2 is on the other side. Nakita niyo yung symbol na box? Okay, that symbol of box means right angle siya kapag ganyan ang symbol. And ang right angle is equivalent to 90 degrees. Therefore, kapag sinabi mo angle 1 plus angle 2, ang sagot dyan is 90 degrees. And it is an example of a complementary angle. Okay? So that is an example of a complementary. So I hope nakuha niyo siya. So again, 90 degrees siya. Bakit? Because of the symbol box. Kapag may box na symbol, automatic na right angle siya. Kapag right angle, automatic din na 90 degrees siya. Take note of that. Okay, allow me to erase this one in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, let's have the example number 2. If you were not able to copy this one last time, please copy it now. We are now on example number 2, letter B. For example number 2, letter B, angle A measures 56 degrees. Find the measure of the angles that are supplementary to angle A. The word is supplementary. Ano gani equal? Saan gani equal ang supplementary? Is it 90 or 180?
180.
Yes, 180 po. So sabi daw po, supplementary dapat daw yung sagot. So 180 degrees, isulat natin. Si angle A, measure niya is 56. I-add natin siya sa isang angle na di natin alam na dapat ang sagot is 180. Okay? So ano po yun ang angle na yun? So 180 dapat ang sagot. Si angle A, sabi dito sa problem, 56 daw siya. So ano yung angle na yun? Kapag i-add natin, ang sagot is 180. Sige daw, try nyo daw. Let us see if you know the answer. So, paano po ito kukunin? Ha? Anyone? 180 yung given.
120
Tapos,
po, sir.
126? 124?
26 po, sir.
124.
124 daw at saka 126. Be careful on answering. Yes, 124 daw po, sabi nila. So, let's find out. So, ang gagawin dito is isa-subtract lang natin. Take a look at this. 180 minus 56 and the answer is 124 kapag isubtract natin. So, di magkasya. So, 1, 2, 4. So, 124. Yan na po yung sagot dyan. 124 degrees. Okay? Again, anong ginawa natin? Gi-add ba natin siya or gi-subtract?
Subtract.
Yes, we do the subtraction lang. Ano yung gi-subtract natin? Yung supplementary na 180 at saka 56 na given. Okay. So, that is now the answer for letter B. Next for letter A rather. Next for letter B. So, we have the angle B measures that is 33 degrees. Then, we are going to find the angle that makes it complementary. So, complementary, the word is complementary. This is letter A. We go now to letter B. The word is complementary. So, therefore, 90 degrees yung sagot. 90 degrees, tapos 33 degrees plus blank equals 90. Anyone who would like to show or to write their answer on the chat box, you may start writing now.
57 po, sir. 33 plus 57 po, sir.
57 daw po. Others? Isin nga ba ng sagot? Okay, while you are answering, recognizing the attendance, we have the following students: Art Louis, Ayan Marie, Brian, Kiel, John Bert, Keith, Krisha, Lucky, and Sebastian. Okay, so we have 57 also from Art Louis, Krisha, Sebastian, Kiel. Okay, so 57 nga ba? So if you're going to subtract 90 plus minus 33, the answer is 57. So therefore, the answer here is 57. 33 plus 57 degrees. Okay, this is now the answer, 57. And 57 is the answer to letter B. Okay, next, let's proceed now to part 2. For part 2, we will be identifying if it is adjacent angle or a linear pair. To begin with, let us define first what is an adjacent angle. To read this one, adjacent. Pwede po siyang basahin na adjacent or mas maganda talaga na adjacent. Adjacent angles. These are two angles. Take note, dalawang angles lang daw po yan. Hindi po pwedeng tatlo, hindi po pwedeng apat, hindi po pwedeng isa, dalawa lang po dapat. It has a common vertex, a common side, and no common interior points. Allow me to erase this one. So when you say adjacent angles, ganito po yan siya. If this is an angle, this is the first angle, angle 1. This is the second angle, angle 2. So ganito po ibig sabihin yan. This is not 4 ha, this is angle 1. Okay. So Meron daw po, sabi ng adjacent angles, dalawang angles daw sila. Angle 1, angle 2, tama, dalawa. Meron daw common vertex. Ano po yung common vertex? Ang common vertex, kung saan sila nagtagpo. Example, in this case, ito na line, dito siya nagtagpo sa line na ito, at dito naman siya nagtagpo sa line na ito. Okay? This is now the common vertex. Itong point na po ito, tinatawag yan siyang common vertex. Okay. Next, sinabi naman po dito, a common side. Ibig sabihin po ng a common side, yung side na napagitnaan ng dalawang angles. Ito yung angle 1, ito naman yung angle 2. Ano yung side na napagitnaan nila? This is the side kung saan sila napagitnaan. And this is now the common side. Okay? Common side po ang tawag dyan. Next, no common interior points. Ibig sabihin po ng common interior points, yung points po, like this, wala po siyang parehong points sa gitna. Okay? So, let us identify if it is adjacent or not. Kindly look at the first example, letter A. So, angle 1 and angle 2. Tingnan nyo. Adjacent ba siya? Just type yes if it is yes, no if it is no. Adjacent ba si letter A? Yes or no? No daw po, sabi ni Keith. Again, pag sinabi mong adjacent, dalawang angles na magkatabi, tapos meron silang common vertex at saka common side. Common vertex kung saan sila nagtagpo, like this, the point. Common side kung saan, kung napagitnaan nila yung isang linya. Others, please? No, yes daw po from Jonalyn. Yes daw po, adjacent daw po kasi dalawang angles ang meron. Tapos meron silang common side at saka common vertex. Keith naman po, no daw po. Art Louis, yes. Okay, the answer for letter A is yes. Meron silang common side at saka common angle. Adjacent po sila. That's why on letter A, yes po ang sagot. That is an adjacent. Next, letter B. For letter B, recognizing the attendance, we have Sauro, Panto, Belangdal. Okay, for letter B, and look at angle 1 and angle 2. Si angle 1 nasa left side, si angle 2 naman nasa right side. Now, requirement po sa adjacent na dapat magkatabi sila. Magkatabi. Now, is it yes or no? Adjacent nga ba or no? Yes or no? Just type in the chat box. No. Galit ako. No. The answer here is no. Bakit po? Hindi po sila magkatabi dahil nagtalikdanay sila. Si angle 1, likod niya si angle 2. Hindi po sila magkatabi, nagtalikdanay sila. So it is no. Next, letter C. Is that adjacent or not? Yes or no? No din daw po. Okay lang po. This is a recorded class. Okay, the answer for letter C is no. Bakit po no? Anyone?
Hindi magkadikit po, sir.
Hindi magkadikit. Sino pa may ibang idea?
Dalawa ang line sa tunga, sir.
Yes, dalawang line at saka hindi magkadikit. That's true. That is the reason why it is called not adjacent. Very good. So next, kopyahin niyo yung figure tapos lagyan niyo ng sagot para meron kayong copy sa inyong notebook. Okay, next. Definition of a linear pair. Tapos na tayo sa adjacent. Tapos na rin tayo sa supplementary. Tapos na rin tayo sa complementary. Let us proceed now to what you call the linear pair na tinatawag. Okay, when you say linear pair, again, two angles ulit form a linear pair when they are adjacent and at the same time supplementary. So, ibig sabihin po niyan, ito pinaka very basic niyan. The word is linear pair. Linear, line. Line. Ibig sabihin, nakakagawa daw siya ng straight line. Pag sinabi mong linear pair. Okay, straight line daw yung ginawa niya. So next, Tapos, sabi po dyan, dalawang angles. If this is the angle 1, this is the angle 2. So, merong dalawang angles na magkatabi. At yung magkatabing angles na yun, nakabuo sila ng straight line. From the word linear pair. Line, linear, line. Straight line po yan siya. Yan po yung tinatawag na linear pair. Nakabuo siya ng straight line. At the same time, dalawa ang angles. At the same time, since straight line siya, ang equivalent ng straight line is 180 degrees. Okay, sabi po dyan din po, supplementary daw po siya. Ano gano'ng ibig sabihin ng supplementary? Equal siya dito kay 180. Okay, lahat po ng straight line is equivalent to 180. Take note of that. Straight line, kahit baliktad mo pa yan siya, patayo, pababa, paslanting, basta straight line siya, equivalent siya sa 180 degrees. Okay? That is now the example of a straight line. Kindly look at this example. We have the given 140 and 40. 40 yung nasa baba, 140 naman yung malaki. In this case, can we call it as a linear pair? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes daw po. Let's find out. Others, please. Keith, got it yes? Others? Kisha got it yes also? Jonaline is also yes. Keith is also yes. So let's reveal. In this case, ang requirement po sa isang linear pair, dalawang angles. Now, take a look at this example, letter A. Dalawa ang angles meron dyan, tama? 40 at saka 140. Next, adjacent. Pag sinabing adjacent, magkatabi. Magkatabi ba si 40 at saka 140? Yes po, nagtapaday na lang sila. Next, supplementary, dapat 180 daw. 40 plus 140 is 180. Therefore, this is an example of a linear pair. Yes po ang sagot dyan. Next, letter B. Yes or no?
No po.
Hoy, pagdali ang tawon, guys. Banyak gitu.
Sobrang text.
Mana mo yan?
Wala pa. Ay, sorry.
Okay, no daw po ang sagot. May nag-yes ba dyan? Wala. So the answer here is no. Okay, very basic reason niya is linear pair, the word is line, therefore, nakakreate siya ng line. In this case, wala pong line na nakakreate, or straight line rather. So therefore, letter B is a no, no, no. Okay, next. Let's have this example number 3. So for example number 3, we will be identifying the relationships. So example number 3. Take a look at this. Angle 1, nasa right side. Angle 2, nasa gitna. Angle 3, nasa left side. Ang letter B, or point B, nasa gitna. Yan yung common. Next, ang sa dulo naman na point si C, si E, si D, at saka si A. Okay. The question for letter A. Sabi po dito, angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. Pag sinabi mong adjacent, magkatabi po sila. Angle 1 and 2, take a look at it. Angle 1 and angle 2. Magkatabi nga ba? Or adjacent nga ba? Yes or no? In the chat box, please. Magkatabi nga ba or adjacent sila, si angle 1 and 2? Yes or no? On the chat box, please. So yes, 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 yes. The answer is yes. Magkatabi po sila. Okay, next. Letter B. Sa letter B naman, angle 2 and angle 3 are adjacent. Yes or no? Angle 2 and angle 3 are adjacent. Yes or no? Please type your answer in the chat box, please. When you say adjacent, magkatabi lamang. Okay, the correct answer is yes. Next, letter C. Angle 1 and 3 are adjacent. Angle 1 and 3 are adjacent. Kiel, get it no? Janeline, get it no? Art Louie, get it yes? When you say adjacent, magkatabi lamang sila. Dapat walang space. Magkatabi ang 1 and 3 na walang space at hindi putol. So the answer here is no. Bakit po no? Kasi po napagitnaan sila ni angle 2. Naglakbang siya. Yan mo, angle 1 and 3 lakbang. Nalakbangan si 2. Okay, next. Letter D, do angle 2 and angle 3 form a linear pair? When you say linear pair, nakabuo sila ng straight line. Si angle 2 daw at saka si angle 3, nakabuo ba daw ng straight line? Yes or no? Si angle 2 and angle 3 nakabuo ng straight line. Yes or no? Type your answer in the chat box. No daw po from Fiel. Adrian, yes. Angle 2 and 3 nakabuo daw sila ng straight line. When you say straight line, ganito po. Straight talaga. Wala pong kahati. Straight lang. So the answer here is, please type your answer in the chat box now. No, no, no. Sabi daw po nila. So the answer here is no. Bakit po no? Kasi po si 2 and 3, hindi po straight line ang nabuo niya. Ganito po ang nabuo niya na line. It's not a straight line. So therefore, X siya. Ganito dapat ang straight line. Okay? Next, letter E. Angle 1 and angle 2. Is it a linear pair? Yes or no? Angle 1 and angle 2. So no, no, no pa rin po. The answer here is no. Next. Letter F. What is the common side of angle 1 and angle 2? Sa letter F, common side. Common side daw ni angle 1 and ng angle 2. When you say common side, ano daw po yung side na kung saan napagitnaan nila? So this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Ano yung side na napagitnaan nila or yung line? So we have B, E as our answer. So let's start. Ang B nag-start po siya sa point. So point po dyan, nag-end naman siya sa arrow kay E. Okay, hindi po pwede baliktarin gawing EB, BE po talaga yan. Next, G. Sa G naman, what is the common side of angle 2 and angle 3? What is the common side of angle 2 and angle 3? Please type your answer in the chat box. What is the common side of angle 2 and angle 3? Okay. BD nga ba? The answer is BD. That's correct for letter G. Next, letter H. What is the common side of angle 1 and angle 3? Kung wala naman po, just type none. Kung meron, isulat. 1 and 3. Angle 1 and 3. Kung wala po, just type none. Kung meron po, isulat. So the answer here is common side, wala po. Wala po silang napagitnaan. So none ang answer dyan. Okay? None, none, none for letter H. Okay, next. Your turn. Kayo naman po magsagot. Kindly copy first the figure. Then type done if you're done. Please copy first the figure. Ito naman. Kayo naman magsagot for our quiz. Pakikopya muna ng figure. Okay, yung iba nakatapos na nag-copy nito. Okay, please type done if you're done so that makaproceed na tayo sa questions. Okay, proceed tayo sa questions. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ito na yung question. So this is just yes or no for numbers 1 to 4. Turo ko muna kung paano sagutan. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 points po ang tama. 2 points naman po ang mali. So paano to sagutan? Yes or no lang po isusulat dito. Yes kung linear pair, no naman po kung not linear pair. Okay? So let's begin. Sabi po dito, linear pair. Pag sinabi mong linear pair, makakabuo siya ng straight line na tinatawag. For example, this one, dalawang angles, this is angle 1, this is angle 2. So nakabuo siya ng straight line. Ito po, straight line. Kapag hindi po siya nakabuo ng straight line, hindi po siya magiging linear pair. Okay? Tapos, dapat ang linear pair, magkatabi sila like this, magkatabi. Pero pag hindi po sila magkatabi, like magka-opposite, hindi po sila nakabuo ng straight line. Okay? So let's have this him and MIJ. H-I-M at saka M-I-J. Kung nakabuo sila ng straight line, just
No
type
po. No po.
sagot. Pag nakabuo sila ng straight line, isulat nyo lang yung sagot nyo sa inyong notebook. Na yes at saka no. Okay? You are given 5 minutes to answer that one. Or 5 minutes. Okay? Time starts now. Okay, for the information of everybody, bukas po, hindi po ako mag-online class sa inyo kasi ngayon po ako nag-online class kasi po nasa classroom po ako tomorrow so wala pong internet doon. Instead, magkakaroon lang tayo ng mga activities. Okay, John Bert is done. So let us wait for the others. Kit is also finished. Jonaline is also finished. Okay, the code of our quiz is Q number 1 for week number 1. Q number 1, W1. Q1, W1. Art Louis is finished, so still waiting for the others. Okay, last 2 minutes for the extension. Sebastian is finished. Okay, may sumasagot pa ba? Or we are ready for checking na?
Ready na po, sir.
Ready na po, sir.
Okay po, ready na I think. So, let's proceed now to the checking of your papers. So, 5 points ang tama, 2 points ang mali. H-I-M, M-I-J. So, H-I-M, M-I-J. Nakabuo ba siya ng straight line? Yes or no?
No po.
So, you may type your answer in the chat box. The answer is yes. Ano po yung straight line na nabuo? Tingnan nyo, H-I-M, M-I-J. Ano po yung straight line na nabuo? H-I-J po. Yan po yung straight line na nabuo. Patayo siya na straight line. Di ba sabi ko, pwedeng pa-slanting, pwedeng pahiga, or patayo. Basta straight line siya. The answer is yes. Next, number 2. H-I-M-M-I-L. H-I-M-M-I-L. Yes or no? May nakabuo
Yes.
siyang straight line. May nabuo siyang straight line. Yes, no, yes, no. Yes, no, yes, no. Others, please. Take note. H-I-M-M-I-L. Meron ba siyang nabuong straight line?
Meron po, sir.
So the answer is no. Wala po. Tingnan nyo ha. Tingnan si H-I-M. H-I-M. Tapos yung isa naman ay H-I-M. So ganyan ang itsura. Yung isa naman M-I-L. M-I-L. So hindi po siya straight line. Pa-L po siya. So therefore, no ang answer. Okay, next. Number 3. Number 3. Kim and Mill. K-I-M-M-I-L. K-I-M-M-I-L.
Yes, sir.
Please,
Yes po.
Yes po, sir.
tingnan natin kung yes nga ba yan. On the chat box, please. 5, 4, 3,
Kill. Kill.
1. The answer is big yes. Okay, next. K-I-H-L-I-J. K-I-H-L-I-J. Take note, dapat magkatabi sila kapag sinabi mong linear pair. So may nabuo bang linear pair? Yes or no?
Yes po. Yes po.
May nabuo nga.
Yes po, sir.
Wala kayo dyan. Dapat ang requirement,
Cross.
dapat ang requirement pag linear pair, straight line siya, tapos magkatabi. Hindi pwedeng magkahiwalay. Hindi pwedeng magkahiwalay tulad yan. Hindi pwedeng magkahiwalay. So ano nga bang sagot? The answer is yes or no?
No.
No daw. Hala. The answer is no. So the answer here is no. So 5 points ang tama, 2 points po ang mali. Please send us your score at the Facebook page, and do not forget to picture your answer. So please turn on your cameras for the checking of attendance. Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So goodbye everyone. Thank you and God bless.
Bye,
Bye po.
sir.
Bye po, sir.